Good morning, children. Today we'll be studying the chapter The Little Girl. This chapter had been written by Catherine Mansfield. Children, first of all, we'll discuss the theme of the chapter. So, this story is based on the theme of a young child's point of view about her father. Children, they usually take time to understand the actions of their elders. And till that time, they tend to develop a negative opinion and sometimes even distrust. However, as kids grow older, their attitude towards their elders undergoes change. And so, the theme of this story is based on this process of change that makes little children notice the soft and caring heart of their overtly strict elders. Moving on to the next, we'll discuss the introduction of the story. So, if we see that, the entire story, it revolves around the main character of the story or the protagonist, that is the girl. Fine. So, this story, has a girl named Kezia. And as we have already discussed the theme, the main theme of the story is the relationship between parents and their children. Here the writer Catherine Mansfield, she wishes to tell us that children share a very deep bond of love with their parents. Even though young children do not feel that their parents love and care for them because they are strict, and to them, many of their parents' action appears unfair. Besides, when children grow up, they realize that all the acts of their parents were favorable for them. In addition, all along the parents were afraid for them, and below their strictness lies a heart full of love for them. Most importantly, this bond of love between parents and their children has been underlined through the little girl's summary. Now, I'll just give you a quick explanation of the chapter. So, children, Kezia is a little girl who grew in her loving grandma's care. She had a formal relations with mother and father. She was afraid of her strict father, and because of that, she kind of stammered while talking to him. She thought him to be a giant size. And even on the holidays, when her grandma used to send her to spend time with parents, Kezia, she found her father lay down on the sofa to relax, and mother, she was busy in reading. So now one fine day, what happened, her grandma suggested her to prepare a gift for her father's birthday, and Kezia prepared a pin cushion, and for that she needed a scrap to fill it. So she took some speech papers and stuffed them in the pin cushion. When Kezia admitted her act, she was beaten by her father, and she cried bitterly and clung to her grandmother, who consoled her. Kezia, when looked their next door neighbor, Mr. McDonald's, playing with his children, she concluded that all fathers are not like hers. So, moving forward, what happened? One day, her mother got admitted to the hospital, and Kezia was all alone at home under the care of the cook. And once again, the old nightmare haunted her, and because of this, she was very afraid. When her father heard her terrified voice, he came to her room and hugged her. He carried her to his room to comfort her. And after this incident, Kezia realized that he was not bad, but he was too busy to express his love. That night, she felt her father had a big heart. So, that was all about the story. Thank you, children.